Meaning of harmonization.
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 Harmonization. Harmonization refers to the process of bringing together different rules, regulations or systems into a uniform and consistent framework. It involves overcoming various obstacles such as legal, technical and political differences that exist between disparate entities. The end goal is to achieve greater efficiency, cooperation and coherence in a given field or industry. Successful harmonization initiatives can lead to reduced barriers to trade, improved communication and increased competitiveness. Overall, harmonization can help to create a more level playing field for all participants and facilitate smoother and more effective functioning of organizations and industries.